Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make a colorful PowerPoint presentation be black and white. Now there might be a number of reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe someone asks you to fax over the presentation, or if someone wants you to print it out and they don't have a color printer, you might want to make it black and white. So you want to make sure that your PowerPoint presentation looks good in black and white and the contrast is perfectly fine. So over here I have a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I just created it, I didn't add anything. So I go over to design and let's pick a design that has a good amount of color on it. So let's pick this design right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a title and a subtitle so you can see what I'm talking about. So the way to make this black and white is you go onto the right hand side and it says colors and click on the colors and then click grayscale, and as you can see your PowerPoint presentation will now be black and white. I'm Omar and I hope you found this video informative. Have a good day.